Here's our look ahead to Wednesday's key political and financial events. The Bank of England's quarterly inflation report likely to predict a prolonged period of higher inflation. Last week, policymakers said it could take 2 years for CPI to fall below the 2% target. They said that that was due in part to the decline in sterling. The question for investors, will higher inflation be a bar to further stimulus?
I think it's very unlikely, in my opinion, that the Bank of England will be looking to do any further asset purchases between now and when Mark Carney comes in situ. I think they're going to look further at the funding for lending scheme and trying to basically boost the economy that way.
Sweden's central bank decides on rates. A Reuters poll predicts a quarter-point cut to 0.75%. Finance Minister Anders Borg has said Riksbank policy is underpinning the krone and preventing a recovery in Scandinavia's largest economy. Ahead of Friday's G20, markets will be keeping a wary eye on FX market movements after the G7 appeared to backtrack earlier on its statements regarding the yen. France's second-largest bank, Soc Gen, is likely to report a hefty loss on write-downs and a jump in bad loans. CEO Frédéric Oudéa is also expected to reveal the name of the bank's new chief financial officer. Outgoing CFO Bertrand Badré was criticised last month for disclosing an effective profit warning at a private dinner for analysts. Dutch bank ING reports Q4 earnings. Expect more flesh on restructuring plans as the bank retreats from its overseas markets after the sale of ING Direct in the UK and Canada. You can watch live when we speak to CFO Patrick Flynn at 7:45 GMT on Wednesday. Reckitt Benckiser reports end-of-year results. Analysts predict the owner of Citibang and Nurofen will say like-for-like sales grew more than 4%, fueled by strong sales in emerging markets. Since October, Reckitt shares have outperformed the FTSE by some 9%. And don't forget, we'll have the reactions from around the world, including here in Europe, to Barack Obama's State of the Union address to Congress. That's on Reuters today at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's our look ahead to Wednesday. I'm Axel Threlfall. This is Reuters.